Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Lorraine Marshall from MakeMoneyOnline-niches.com. Now today I have a review of a product called Profit Content. Now Profit Content is basically what it says on the label. It means that you can start a profit from content that you can create within this web-based software and platform. Now today what I want to do is go and take a look at the sales page. I've got the demo video and my bonus page. We'll take a look at that later in the video, and the bonuses that I have available if you decide that profit content is something that you can use in your business. So let's just look at the demo video straight away.
Content has never been easier. With Profit Content, all you have to do is select a category from right here. So we're just going to go with articles and then select one of the thousands articles we have right here. So let's just go for write and sell an ebook. And we have this unique article created for us right here. Next up, we just give it a name. We click on next step. It will generate this article for us, and here we can spin the text. So if we need it to be even more unique, we can spin it, and then we can instantly share it on Facebook, Twitter, on Pinterest, or directly to Google. Now we just click on Save Changes, and it's done. If we go now to My Writing, it will appear right here together with other writings done by our beta testers. Here is an example of an ebook created by one of our beta testers. As you can see, it has been created on the topic of affiliate marketing, and it has been generated with pictures spread through different chapters, all generated for him to immediately sell. Here's another one on how to increase affiliate commissions, again created with Profit Content. Again spread out through different chapters with all information a customer would look for, ready for you to sell. It's that easy. And with thousands of articles at your fingertips for either sales copies, video scripts, email swipes, and articles, you can leverage the power of Profit Content and sell these amazing articles on sites like Fiverr, Upwork, all of which is included in our training right here. And with a one click to our support desk, getting into Profit Content is a no-brainer. Even more, if you want to access the full power of Profit Content with Profit Content Pro, you're going to have access to a text-to-speech, which will allow you to generate voiceovers for your ebooks, for your articles, so it's even easier and more profitable for you to sell these features. So check out Profit Content right now, and I will see you inside.
So here we are on the sales page for Profit Content, and the first thing you can see is that there is a discount where you can get a special discount from the front end price. So if we just get rid of that, and we can take a look at some of the claims being made on the sales page here. Now this product is going live on the 17th of November, so that's today, and it is brought to you by Michael Mack. And basically what it is, it's a cloud software which basically has a lot of, as we just seen, templates of articles within the platform, whereby you can then choose an article that's relevant to your niche, and then use the software to spin the article so that you can then post that article on a blog, for example, or on your Facebook or other social profiles. So that is what Profit Content does. So if we have a look at the sales page, they're saying that you can get traffic and thousands in commissions in minutes. So bold claims being made here. So this is the video on the sales page. Now you can get to the sales page if you click through on my bonus link, which was the first link in the description box below this video. If you click through on there, any of the buttons will take you through to this sales page. So basically what they're saying is you can create unique content with just a push of a button. Now I think that a lot of people actually struggle with creating content for blogs and for social media posts and things in order to generate interest and engagement. And actually to employ copywriting or to outsource to freelancers can be quite expensive. So a software like this, whereby you can create unique content to post out, or even to create ebooks, for to generate leads and traffic, is going to be of some help to people who are in various types of business. So let's say you can generate articles, PDF info products, ebooks with one click, sell SEO services, have your very own ready-made products ready to sell or give away. That's to generate leads, obviously. Generate amazing ebooks in minutes without typing any words. Generate, build and design and turn content into stunning products. It's newbie friendly, autopilot, free traffic in any niche with one click, no technical skills needed, and 0 monthly fees. So this is a one-off pay for software that you're going to have access to. And it's launching in 2 hours and 19 minutes. So it goes live very soon. Basically, we've just looked at the demo video now. Step 1 is saying that all you're needing to do is insert a keyword into the cloud-based software. And then in step 2, you watch as it creates 100% unique content out of thin air. And step 3, relax as profit content blasts out the content to hundreds of traffic sources for #1 rankings from free traffic and commissions. So everything's 100% automated for you. So this is some of the proof that they're saying that the software's generated easy traffic, how their visitors have gone up, 9,220 visitors in a single day. And then here, 141,000 monthly audience. And this one here, which is saying a 590% increase in traffic. So these are the claims and testimonials here. Then you've got some marketers who have given their testimonials, and you've got for limited time a free commercial license is included, meaning that you can then sell on profit content as one of your products. So you've got your article writing service, product creation, ebook writing, backlinks and search engine ranking services. So this is the sales page. Now, if we go over to my bonus page, we can have a look at the extensive funnel that is included here with profit content. And then we take a look at the bonuses that I have available if you decide that profit content is for you and your business. So here's my bonus page, and first of all, you've got this, obviously the description, everything we've just talked about, and now we've got the funnel, so the price and the prices and the upsells. So the regular price is $17, and then you have got an upsell of Profit Content Pro for $37. Now, obviously, you've got a discount on the front end, which we just saw. So if you're trying to move away from the sales page, you will get that discount box, and that will give you a reduction on the front end price. So upsell 1 is Profit Content Pro Edition, $37, and a downsell of $27. So upsell 2 is Profit Content Enterprise Edition, which is $47, and there's a downsell off that one as well, which is $37. And upsell 3 is Profit Content Done For You Edition, and that's $39. And again, there's the downsell for $29. Then you've got upsell 4, Profit Content Reseller Edition, $197, and the downsell has a massive $100 off at $97. Now upsell 5 is Profit Content, which is a bundle at $97, and again there is a discount on that for $67. So those are the prices throughout the funnel for Profit Content. These are the benefits that you might be interested in getting: 100% unique content with a push of a button. You can generate unique articles, PDF info products, ebooks with one click. You can sell your SOA services and content writing on places like Fiverr. You can have your very own ready-made products to sell or give away. And you can have your generate amazing ebooks in minutes without typing any words. You've got a built-in designer that turns your content into stunning products. It's 100% newbie friendly. Autopilot free traffic in any niche with one click. No technical skills or experience needed, and 0 monthly fees. So you buy it once and you use it for as long as you want. So that is Profit Content. Now let's have a look at the bonuses I have. They also got the demo video on my bonus page. If you want to click and have another look at that, you can do that in your own time. Bonus number 1 is access to SEO Studio. Obviously, does what it says on the label here. It gives you some more training around search engine optimization. And then bonus number 2 is build your first website in 3 easy steps. Again, no explanation needed because obviously it does what it says on the label. And then bonus number 3, we've got a page builder tutorial. Now, obviously, again, page builder is basically like a landing page or something like I have here, which is my bonus page, which then this tutorial is going to take you through how to build a page in a page builder. And then bonus number 4 is unlock high ticket mastery. And obviously, high ticket affiliate products are available in various different niches, and as well as make money online, there are other niches where you can do high ticket affiliate products. And this is basically training that is going to show you how you can master selling high ticket affiliate products. So those are the bonuses I have if you decide to pick up Profit Content through my link, and that link will be the first link in the description box below this video. Now, if you do decide to pick up this, you still receive all of the vendor bonuses that are available with this product, and this is where you would find your bonuses, the Warrior Plus receipt and this blue button which says Access Affiliate Bonuses, and that's how you would pick up the bonuses I've just described. So that is my review for Profit Content. Now, if you like these videos, please give them a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell if you want to see more videos, or that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And that's all I have for now. So I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.